Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kurt Buchanan, and I'm really happy you decided to check out my content. Thank you so very much for that. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about messenger marketing, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook Messenger chatbot. Before I actually show you how to create a chatbot, I'm going to take you through a couple FAQs and show you why chatbots are becoming popular and why it's important to you and your business. All right, so chatbots are basically like computer programs which conducts conversations on your behalf. These conversations can be audio or basically textual, which includes images, videos, whatever you can think about. All right, so what is messenger marketing? So messenger marketing is very much similar to email marketing, where you deliver content to person's inbox, except this is not done via email, it is done via messenger app, which can include Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp messaging, or any of the other messenger platform or apps that you can think about. Why is it important? It is important because more people are now using messaging apps than persons are using social networking apps. All right, so this is based on information from a research done by Business Intelligence, BI Intelligence, over between 2011 and 2016. So that is why it's important and why you need to start using Facebook Messenger chatbots in your marketing campaigns. All right, so how do you set up a chatbot? How do you create one? Basically, creating chatbots are really easy. There are lots of different platforms, softwares that you can use that are really cool, but my preference is using one by the name of ManyChat. All right, in order for you to do that and to set up your chatbot, you actually need to have a Facebook fan page or a business page, whatever you want to call it. And you want to ensure your page accepts messages. And in order for you to do that, you want to go to settings. You want to go to where it says messages. You want to allow people to contact your page, and you want to click on save changes. Once that is done, your page is ready. You also need to have a ManyChat account. So you want to go to manychat.com, manychat.com. This is a landing page. Then you want to click on where it says get started. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you to connect to your Facebook page. You click on sign in with Facebook. Then you select the Facebook page or pages that you want to connect to ManyChat. ManyChat is really cool because it allows you to add multiple Facebook pages. I'm not even sure if there's a limit to the number of pages you can add. So what that means is that you can manage all of your Facebook pages as well as clients' Facebook pages from one single account from one dashboard. What you do need to be aware is that every page is different. So when you're upgrading to the Pro plan, you will need to upgrade for every single page. All right. Now that we're here, I'm just going to walk you through these really quick. Dashboard shows your subscribers and unsubscribers. Your audience shows you a list of the persons who have subscribed to you. Live chat shows you the persons you have been in contact with. Growth tools show you how you can basically get subscribers, and there are lots of different growth tools you can use. There are about 6 of them that are exclusive to use on your websites. Then you have some that can be used natively on Facebook, or you can set up a landing page which is hosted by ManyChat that you can send traffic to and get persons to subscribe to your list. Just like you would in email marketing, it's about growing a subscriber base. It works basically the same. Broadcasting, you can send broadcast messages to people. Just go to broadcast, create a broadcast message, and you can send out broadcast message to your subscribers. Automation is where you're going to set up our very first chat bot. So I'm going to skip over that and go to flows. So basically flows, it's like a visual builder that allows you to create different flows and link different flows together. So for example, you have a sequence of messages that you want to send out. This is where you would come to set up that sequence and to set up flows and what different responses trigger and what message goes to where. And you can see all of this in a visual editor laid out and like a canvas. Once you're ready to set up flows, you go to new flows, give it a name, and you can start creating your flow. Settings by default are pretty good. when you're upgrading to your pro account and you go to billing, you see a billing information. You can add people in admin to your account. You can see live chat notifications. If you want help, go to help. If you want to see some videos, you can go to video tutorials. Let's go back to automation, as this video is already getting pretty long. All right, first thing in automation is main menu. That's the first thing you actually want to set up. So think of menus as like menus on a website. When you go to a website, you see different menus. You go through the menus and select exactly what you want. So it's the same thing. You are allowed to have 3 menu items. ManyChat takes up one of those spaces with their branding, which you cannot remove. So you're limited to 2. But you can have sub menus. So say for example, I'm going to show you how to set this up right now. I'm going to create 2 menus with 1 submenu each, just so I can speed up this video, but you can create up to 5 submenus for each. So let's say my page was about marketing and I was talking about affiliate marketing. So that could be one of my menus. My next menu item could be about my YouTube, probably. All right, so let's say I do tutorials on YouTube. That could be one of my other menu. Below this, I could open submenus. So right below affiliate marketing, I'm going to say Amazon affiliate. And below YouTube, I'm going to open one submenu that says, probably some of my videos are about Shopify. All right, so guys, you see what I'm doing here. You can add up to 5 submenus. For YouTube videos, you can add submenus there as well. All right, so when someone comes to affiliate marketing and click on Amazon affiliate, then I can have reply messages set up. So whenever they come to here, I could create a message, or if you have existing messages, you can select from that. So I could say, hey, and this is very intuitive, so you can use tags here. So I could say, hey, first name. You put those in percentage sign. I could do that, put in some punctuations. I am currently on the Amazon affiliate, so I could say, if you want to learn more about Amazon affiliate, click the I could say click the I'm doing this on the fly, guys. I didn't prepare before, button below to download my free ebook. So that could be the message someone gets whenever they go to that menu option. Then I could add a button, and I could call this button ebook. All right, and from there I could basically link them to wherever my ebook is and send them to download that ebook. I could also add quick replies here, so just in case this is not what they want, you could say something like, how about the free checklist? Maybe you spoke about a free checklist in one of your videos, so you could add that as a quick reply. You can add multiple quick replies. It could be something about about your course. What if you had like a course? It could be about your course. So guys, you can play with these and add quick replies, but quick replies cannot be the last thing in your message. So you'll have to respond to these quick replies. So when someone selects that, when someone press that quick reply that says they want the checklist, then this is just okay, comma, here's the link for the checklist. So guys, you see where I'm going with this, and then from here I could just probably I could either attach the checklist from a file, and you can attach any kind of file, video file, as long as it's less than 25 megabytes, you can add it. So I could send them that to say, okay, that is the checklist that you wanted. Then I could go back here. If this person clicked on course, then I could say, okay, here's the link to take my course. So guys, you see what I'm doing here, and from here I could add a button and then add the link to wherever I'm hosting my course, and this could say course website. So basically, I just created a very simple chatbot for uh, one of my menu items, which is about affiliate marketing. All right, so I could click on done here. So once someone comes to my messenger, my Facebook page, and click on message to send me a message, this will pop up. They will see these menus. So if these menus are what they're interested in, they can click on these menus, drill down to find exactly what they need. If they clicked on affiliate marketing, then they will be triggered with affiliate marketing related stuff. All right. Um, Once you have that, that's basically your first chatbot created. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm basically going to go back in here, go to the affiliates, and I'm going to show you a preview. Hopefully I can send this to myself so you can see what it looks like. All right, so the preview message sent to my page, and as you can see, it just came in from the Crazy Socks page. All right, so it's saying, hey Kirk. So this is after I go to the Crazy Socks page and click on the get started button and click on the menu item affiliate marketing for Amazon. So it says, hey Kirk, if you want to learn more about Amazon affiliate, click the button below to download my free ebook. If I want the ebook, I can go ahead and download it. But what if I don't want the ebook? I could say, hey, I don't want the ebook, I want to take the course. So I could click on that quick reply. All right, so as you can see, the message comes through immediately. Here's a link to take here's a link to take my free course, and from here I could click on that and be taken over to wherever the link is pointing me. So that's how you set up menu items for ManyChat. All right, so I'm trying not to make this video too long. That's just the basics of setting up your ManyChat account. But not only do you set up menus, and your menus can be really long to take persons straight down into a very long funnel if you want. You can set up default replies. So just in case you just want to tell people that you're away, you can leave away messages to say, hey, business is closed for the next 2 weeks. You can check out stuff on our website and we'll get back to you as soon as we're back in office. You can set up default replies such as that, and you can enable that and have that going. Welcome messages. What if someone goes to your Facebook chat, right? Sends you a message, but they didn't click on any of your menu items. Then you can set up a welcome message as well to take them into a similar funnel. So whenever they say hi to your page or whatever message they send to your Facebook page, your welcome message can be triggered as the initial message that is sent out to them as a reply. So if you want more information on what each of these are, you just hover your mouse over this question signs as it says here. Here you can set up a welcome message to greet your subscribers. And remember, subscribers are only persons that either send you a message or click on one of your buttons that you have on your website, or click on your link somewhere to go to Messenger to engage with you. So that is what the welcome message does. You can set up keywords. By default, there are 2 keywords, start and stop, or subscribe and unsubscribe, to basically subscribe people to your list, and if they want to unsubscribe, they can type stop or unsubscribe. Sequences I spoke about briefly just now, but you can set up sequences and you can send people, subscribers, directly to sequences as soon as they subscribe to your list. Those are advanced tutorials that will be covered in my course that I'm preparing, which will be ready pretty soon. So if you want to be notified when I release my Facebook Messenger chatbot course, you can go ahead and just subscribe to my messenger list and I'll notify you when it's ready. You can do that by clicking on the link in my description and just sending me a message or just type in subscribe. All right, so that is basically how you set up your very first Facebook chatbot. I really hope this video helped you out. If it did, please go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be coming out with a lot more content as it relates to Facebook chatbots. I'm confident it's going to be really big in 2018 going into 2019, and that's why I'm doing so many videos on this. I'm also doing a course on this as well. All right, so thank you so very much for watching my videos, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you in my next tutorial.